Hello students, good morning. Today we will do the use of sum and any. Sum and any are determiners. You know students, what are determiners? Determiners are the words used before the noun to clarify noun. And students, here sum and any determiners we will do. Sum and any are quantifiers. As you all know, sum means kuch. So here first of all you all should know why we use determiners. Through an example I will clarify why we use determiners sum and any. Here an example, as you see, if I say I ate bread, so this sentence means I ate bread, not pasta or rice. But if I use the determiner sum before the noun bread, then the sentence becomes I ate some bread. And this sentence means I mean a certain amount of bread. Sum means a certain amount of. So here the noun bread is determined, it's fixed. How much bread I have eaten? Some bread. I ate some bread. So students, determiners determine the meaning of noun. Here the meaning of bread, that is noun, is determined, some bread, and determiners are always used before the noun. Okay students, now it's very easy to use sum and any in a sentence, because sum is used for positive sentences and any is used for negative and interrogative sentences. But both sum and any are used before countable and uncountable nouns both. Like here in simple sentence we use sum, like I have some friends. So here this sentence is affirmative, positive, so we use sum, determiner sum. I have some friends, मेरे कुछ दोस्त हैं. But if I convert this sentence into negative, I don't have, then we will use the determiner any. I don't have any friends. Okay, second examples of use of sum. I would like some water. Water is uncountable, but to show the quantity of water, here we use sum. I would like some water, and water is uncountable. So we use determiner sum before noun countable and uncountable nouns both. Now the use of any. We use any before now countable and uncountable nouns, but the sentences should be negative or interrogative. Like here in first example, have you got blank cheese? So we will use the determiner any. Have you got any cheese? It is an interrogative sentence. So in interrogative sentence, for showing some quantity we use any, and in negative we use also the determiner any, like he hasn't got any change, he hasn't got any friends in Chicago. I hope the concept of sum and any is clear. Okay students, now I will tell you some more uses of sum and any. As I say, we use sum in affirmative sentences, but students, any can be used in a positive sentence to mean it is not important which one. When we use any in this way, it is most often used with singular countable nouns. Like here, you can take any bus. तुम कोई भी बस ले सकते हो. तो यहाँ पर जो है क्या है, any bus. हमने any यूज़ किया. The sentence is here simple sentence, affirmative sentence, but we use any. Why? Because it is not important which bus, any bus. So to show it is not important which one, we use in simple sentence also any. Like here you can take any bus, pass me any glass, come over any Sunday. किसी भी Sunday को आ सकते हो. तो जब हमें रेफ़र करना ज़रूरी है, क्या पर्टिकुलर क्या है, किसी को भी, तो हम यूज़ करते हैं एनी इन सिंपल सेंटेंसेज ऑल्सो. Okay, any can also be used in positive sentences. They have a negative feeling. In the beginning, I said in negative sentences we use any, but sometimes negativity is there in the negative word like never, hardly, without. In that case also we use any. Like examples, she never eats any fruit. वह कभी भी कोई भी फ्रूट नहीं खाती है, तो हमने यहाँ पर क्या यूज़ किया, एनी. Okay, in the same way, we hardly watch any television. Julia left the house without any money. Okay, third one is we can use some for interrogative sentences, but when we expect the answer of the interrogative sentence is yes, then we use some as a determiner. Would you like some coffee? Do you want some sandwiches? Could you give me some help? Could you pass me some sugar? Okay students, I hope you all understand the use of some and any. Now let's look at your worksheet. Here first question is, now we are really going to get blank water, Lencho said to wife. It is a simple sentence, so here we use the determiner some. Okay, next one is, second one is, since then Annie has been allowed to talk and hasn't been assigned blank extra homework. Okay students, tell me which type of sentence it is. Since then Annie has been allowed to talk and hasn't been, has not, abbreviation is hasn't been assigned, so it is a negative sentence, so any determiner will be used here, any extra homework. Now next one, they had waited for Wanda to have blank fun with her. It's very easy, it is a simple sentence, so to have some fun with her. Next sentence, fourth one is, Maddie would never have prayed. Never. That shows negative sense. So which determiner will be used here? Understood? Any. Maddie would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. Okay, next one, fifth one. Wanda didn't have any friends because it is a negative sentence, didn't. So the answer is N. Next one is sixth one. Wanda has been absent from school for. It is a simple sentence, so we will use the determiner some, for some days. Next sentence, seventh one is, in the opinion of the judges, blank, one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. In the opinion of the judges, here any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. Any one. First use of any I explained before. Okay, here we use any. Next one is, Wanda will not is there. So which determiner will be used here? Any. Wanda will not come to your school anymore. Now next one, say the word will end in fire. Say in eyes. So here it is a simple sentence. Some say the word will end in fire, some say in eyes. And last one, if you have blank doubt, let your teacher know without blank hesitation. If you have, it shows the sense of interrogation, so we will use the determiner any. If you have any doubt, let your teacher know without any hesitation. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.